Hi guys, welcome back. Yes, it's another video today that we're going to post on our channel. So if you are looking at our channel for the first time, please do subscribe, give us a big thumbs up, do like, comment and share. In today's video, I'm just going to talk about the laundry area that we had in our kitchen. So we felt that there wasn't enough space, to work around with when we were cooking or whatsoever on the countertop of our kitchen. So we thought that we would improvise it or a little bit, kind of work on the countertop to extend it. So we had our washing machine over here in the place that I'm going to show you. So what we did was we took it and we found another place for it, and we have converted this entire laundry space into a very creative, very productive and a very cozy space in our kitchen. So I hope you guys will watch this video till the end, and you guys will also like all the little detailing that we have done. So please don't forget guys, subscribe to our channel, and without any further ado, I'm going to take you into the video. I'm going to run you through all the things that we have, so you can also have a little bit of an idea as to how you can rearrange things in your kitchen if you do not have space. So please do watch guys, and yeah, let's go into the video. So here you go guys, this is the countertop that I was talking to you about, the place that we had our washing machine. To begin with, over here, if you can see, is the actual countertop which ends here, and this is the extended one. We had our washing machine here. This was the laundry space for us. So if you can see, down below is the outlet which we have covered, and this part is actually a wooden one. It's a wooden shelf which we measured and custom made according to the size that we need over here. On top is the adhesive sticker. It's a marble sticker that matches our color for the coastal living theme, and this is got from an online store. If you can see here, to begin with, is this kettle that we have, which we use, and next to it we have a small little vase which has, yes, the same colors of our home, a little bit of flowers there, so that it gives it an entire beautiful look. Over here guys, if you can see, is a storage box. It's a wooden box, and in this I place my tissues, so it's at our reach whenever we require. And then I believe that we should always cover the tissues when we have it in such kind of boxes, because of dust or anything that would collect. And yes guys, look at this beautiful little one. This small little cover is nothing else but an Amul chocolate cover that we had, a box. So I just kind of de-stressed it with chalk paint, and I used a small little knob from a hardware store. Look how beautiful it looks guys. It just fits absolutely well, and that's about it. I love the color tones because it has a wooden touch here, and it has gray shades and the teal on top. Over here, next to this flower vase, I have this utensil one, this holder, which is from Westside, and all the utensils there which also match our home. If you can see, on top of this frame we have a small rack. This shelf, or rack rather, is from an online store which I will share the link below. And the first one is actually a teal glass jar. We fill them up with chilies, red chilies, dry chilies, whatever. So that's a little teal one, and a little bit of ribbon work to give it a little pop of color and to add a little more beauty. The next one, if you can see, this small little chef, if you can see, is what we got from an online store. I will share the link below. And we just love this guy. He looks absolutely fabulous, isn't it? Yes, this one was a red one which I painted teal to match the color of our home. And over here on this chalkboard, we write small little notes or whatever is the menu for the day, and if it's like a special occasion, we write small little quotes as well. So that's it about this chef ornament over here. At the side, if you can see, is this small little owl that we got, which is from an online decor store as well. And over here, if you can see, we have money plants. Yes, we like to have them in transparent glasses or a jar or whatever, so that you can see the beauty of it, as well as it looks very fresh, green and nice, and it's so pleasing to the eye. Coming to this one is a very nice quote that we found apt for this space. Yes, we painted the frame mustard, and if you can see, it says cooking with love provides food for the soul. It's so much true, isn't it? Yes. So we love this quote, and we gave it a very chalkboard look and feel, and we've placed it there. Down below, if you can see, is the plug point where we have our kettle connected, and then to this corner, if you can see, we have our plates, which is of mustard and teal. We have the big ones as well as the small plates, and we have our mugs or our cups in front. This is actually a wooden shelf, guys. It's a wooden one which you get online on Amazon, so we picked this up from there. And we like a little bit of wood work as well in our decor, because it's very pleasing to the eye and it's so natural. So I place my the cups over there. Coming to this is a small planter. It's a ceramic planter, actually a cup rather, which we were not using. So I have money plants in this as well, which is in water. I bought these two stands from IKEA, so you can see how pretty it looks. So over here we have our pallets, our wooden pallets, that whenever we cook for plating and stuff, so we have them there. We like, as I told you, we like wooden things, so that is there. This tissue stand is also from IKEA, and see guys, we found these mustard tissues, so yeah, why not have it. In front of this we have this small ceramic jar. So you can see guys, this ceramic jar is from a local store. This was also mustard and white, so we just picked it up as soon as we seen it. I have tambourine in it. This white ceramic jar is also from an online store, which we really loved, and it's just a very beautiful ornament to be placed here. We use it very rarely though. Down below, if you can see, is this little mat that we picked up from IKEA. This also has a very nice finish or look and feel. So when we seen this, we just thought that this would be apt for our home, and that's why we picked this up. So over here guys, if you can see, this is a very, very beautiful corner. This wooden piece, if you can see, was a very, very old piece that we had, which we didn't make use of. So when we looked at a couple of pictures online, we felt why not use it. So yes, we painted this grey. This is chalk paint, the piece that is over here, and we fixed these kind of screws, these stainless steel screws, or hooks rather, and we have placed our spoons over here to give it a beautiful detailing and a beautiful look. And over here we placed shelves just to cover up the little kind of holes that we drilled, so you can see how beautiful it looks. Over here, this is a very, very nice print that we found, and we thought that this would match our home, a little bit of a floral touch, which we have over here in this frame, and this is a black frame to go with. Well, look at this entire look guys. I'm so in love with it, and I'm sure you guys also love this beautiful piece of work that we've done over here. Down below we have another small rack that is from an online store, and we have our pans kept there. So this is the finished look, and I'm taking to the next one. This is a beautiful piece that we like. Yes, this is also an upcycled drawer, if you can see. So for this drawer, I have used chalk paint, and it's from Itsy Bitsy. I've used this paint because it's really nice and it gives a very matte finish look. Over here, if you can see, this starfish is a DIY one. On top we have our spices, and it's all kept in glass jars. So this one is also a DIY one. It's just a small little glass pot, and on top we have tied this teal cloth with the jute rope, which I will be sharing with you. And this set is from Home Center. This is also from Home Center, and it has a wooden grip. So this is how it looks guys. So pretty, isn't it? Well, coming to these tins, this is one of our favorite DIYs that we did, and these tins are nothing else but milk tins that we had, which we converted them to storage containers, and we painted them according to the color of our home, that's mustard and teal, and we gave them these chalkboard stickers. So look at how beautiful it looks, guys. Yes, I will share all these DIYs in the upcoming videos. Over here is a small glass vase with a flower, which is from Home Center. So look at this beautiful piece of decor. Thank you so much, guys, for the comments that you have been commenting on the other videos, and also people have asked us for these drawers, so we are going to do a couple of them. So if you also like it and if you also require them, please do get in touch with us. And that's it, guys. So this is the corner that we were talking about. Over here is the microwave, and we have these plants, all money plants, everything is in water. This little small spider plant in water as well, in a small mustard jar. And this is the area where we have our microwave, and down below, if you can see, is also a beautiful piece of ours, a lovely de-stressed cabinet which my husband has done, and he's also worked on the handles, and he's done burlap on this. So this is also a de-stressed piece, and it's a made to order one as well. So that's about it, guys. This is the entire look once again. So please do subscribe to our channel, give this video a big thumbs up, do comment, like and share, guys. I will catch up in the next videos, and please stay tuned for further notifications. Thank you so much.